I guess he ran out of gas before he got there. Their life was getting nowhere fast. Or maybe his consciousness stopped him, or the anger he had may have passed.
Alright, we're up here on the east wing, and we're replacing our ductwork. It's not trash we left up here, guys. So, I think they're almost done with all the wings now. Hauling ass. Anyway, here's them up here. One of these, this boiler that's in here, I don't think it's fired up. Yeah, it's not. And underneath this knob here is a tricky little reset button right there. I don't know if that was it or not. Could be igniter. I hope it's not, because this one's hard to get to. Sup pump. Somebody try to. What in the shit is that? Alright, let's see if I can get this baby to fire up. Instantly goes to flame failure. $140 kick out. This is the kick out, and this, in case it gets too hot, it'll shut it off. That's your temperature. And that reset button's fine. It's not tripped. Dang on it. Alright. Shoot. 250-gallon tank. I don't know, man. There's a reset button inside of here. On a piece of wire right here. It's all rigged up. An ignition module reset. Straight to flame failure again. Doggone it. Alright. Try this reset button one more time. There we go. Alright, let's see if she'll fire up and not flame failure. I just don't want to be in there when it's firing up, because if it does want to burp or fart in my face, then it's not going to be pleasant. Both of those circulatory pumps have a coupler in them. They're not broke. Whew. Bright as the sun. It's trial for ignition right now. There you go. I'm gonna stay around, just make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. God, I smell heavy gas though. Yeah. Shit. Heavy gas. See, they put a new regulator on there. If they didn't do it exactly the same PSI that needs to go into this thing, is down to 2 to 3 inches of mercury. Really sensitive boogers. And usually when you smell gas like that, that means you're out of gas. Which we're trying to run this tank. We're trying to run this tank down so we can get it repaired. So let's go downstairs and let's check the gas first, because yeah, there's some. Let's use the stairs. Let me come up here and bust this apart. Maybe I can have these duck guys take it. One day we'll just haul it over here and we'll probably just throw it down there. Ooh, that is cold. Alright, I'm gonna just turn it off for a second. And then, golly, that's bright. Get your tan up here, man. Woo. Yeah. I think I like the rusted stuff better. Okay. Oh, I hope that ain't live. Alright. Let's go check some gas. We'll be back. Oh, lovely. A lovely day. Why is the lid upside down? Oh yeah. You gotta be kidding me. Phew, that steak, man. See what doesn't have any pressure on it anymore. Out of gas. Needle's all the way past 5. This tank's leaking around the fill port. Well, another thing I can't fix because I don't have gas. Well, I did last night when I ate them bean burritos, but you know what I mean? Alright. Today's other project is to get high at work. Go up there and put a light up there, but I don't have my tools with me right now, so let me go report this to the boss man. Guys, it's just the maintenance man. Y'all have a good one. See you on the next time.
I guess he ran out of gas before he got there. Their life was getting nowhere fast. Or maybe his conscience may have stopped him, or the anger he